tarjama, translation, is an extension of tafsir. So there are different types of translations, tarjama, as we may call them, when we speak about it from Arabic to Arabic. As you know, Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhuma was called tarjuman al-Qur'an, the translator of the Qur'an, but he wasn't speaking another language. Rather, he was elucidating and interpreting its meanings as he had come to learn of them through the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, through his training, through his interaction with the senior Sahaba, etc. So, translation is an extension of tafsir, and one must know that when you're engaging with a translation, you are actually looking at an interpretation of the Qur'an. And that's where the translator and commentator's credentials come into play. We have certain principles that we must abide by in our translation. And that is why when we recommend tafsir, when we recommend translations, they are based upon the credentials of the translator / commentator, and also they're based upon what type of methodology they employed in their tafsir, in their translation. Translation can be of different types. We can have a word-for-word translation that is verbatim, and then we can have one that is more intertwined with commentary. So when we go through the list of different types of translations, it is important to see what exactly is being stated. Right? Is it the actual words of the Qur'an being translated verbatim, or is it a more loose translation? And is it translation that is intertwined with the tafsir of which scholar, with the tafsir of which sources? So all of these questions have been brought up and addressed, to the extent that people have even asked, is tarjama permissible? And in certain contexts, yes, it is permissible, right? And to present the translation to an audience so that they may be able to come closer to the Qur'an, so that they may be able to understand and implement what is required from them. But translation, it is not a replacement